Hi guys, we're back. October 5th, last day of the trading week, Friday, and you're looking at the crude oil daily chart. I feel there is an exceptionally interesting bearish opportunity here on the crude oil, and I was actually following it, and I was trying to time and establish a bearish position before, but I was off with regards to the timing. This time I think we are right in the ideal situation, basically, because price, what it did, I mean, it had a strong, very strong upside move, and it stretched out all the way, basically broke above 75.08, right? That's the big key level here. That's the big resistance, 75.08. And seemingly it did break that level, but then I saw that break and I thought to myself, you know, this is could be excess noise. So if price goes back to close below that level, that would just leave a spike here on the weekly chart. Let's take a look at that. And that's pretty strong indication. What we see here, this left being, you know, this spike being left here, and price just base itself back below 75.08. You know, this is the last day of the trading week, so we're gonna probably close like this, pretty much below that level, and that's a very powerful bearish signal. So if I take it to the daily chart again, you can see here a second setup, which is a lower scale setup, very, you know, representing basically the local price action, and you can see, I mean, how price was trying to push above 76.17. That's you know, the top key level here. That's a local resistance. It failed, and then it went straight to the other side, and it actually closed. Take a look at the close here yesterday, 74.55. So 2 cents actually in this case, 2 cents below 74.57. I think that's also kind of a local bearish signal. So we got both long-term and short-term pretty much in line, and I took action. Although I should say this, once we get clear below this particular level, 73.82, which is the very last kind of you know, local support, I think price will find it much easier to accelerate on the downside. Now, two main targets we have, which the first one is kind of short-term to medium-term, right here at 70.61, and we also have a more of a medium to long-term price target at 65.61. Obviously, these are the natural key levels of this pretty impressive symmetric setup, right? Pretty impressive trading range with already pretty well established 4 legs. So we're going to try to chase a downside reversal, and possibly the generation of the next 5th leg should be the downside, a downside one all the way to the lower section again. And you can see why we're using this 65.61 as our final destination. Alright, so there you go. You got a trigger level for those of you who are risk averse at 73.82. For me, I'm going to start from now. I'm going to start small, and hopefully I'll build it up all the way to 65.61. Alright guys, that's about that. US crude oil bearish outlook. See you in the next video.